Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, today I went to the Dollar Tree store to see what they had for spring as well as Easter 2019. And from what I could see, is they had a lot of options for those of us who like to do DIY projects. They had a few cute little succulents, which I thought was really great. I mean, those succulents are pretty much a great deal for a dollar. So as you can see here, these are some of the DIY items. You can use these to make your own spring wreaths and things of that nature. And just little trinkets that you can just kind of decorate the house with. They had the green foam, and I will actually be doing a project with those items. So stay tuned for that if you are into DIYs. So, of course, with it being Easter, they had a lot of Easter baskets. These were really colorful and fun. So, if you are the type of person that likes to make your own Easter baskets for your kids, the dollar store is a great place to stock up because, of course, it is affordable and only a dollar. So, one of the things that I also liked is that they had a lot of really cute Easter wreaths and things of that nature. Here's some of the colored grass. The one with the little bunny is really cute and fun. This is just a closer look at some of the Easter baskets. And these were really cute. I'm not really sure exactly what you would do with these. I guess you can kind of hang them around the house or put them at your front door if you wanted to make it into like a DIY wreath. But definitely really nice options as far as Easter is concerned. You can easily go to like Target and Walmart and find some of these same items or very similar items and end up paying like 10, 20 bucks for these. So, um, definitely check out the dollar store first. They had a lot of little trinkets. They had tons of Easter eggs that you can put items in, such as candy. I know one of the things that I used to like to do when I was little was have these little Easter eggs and have like open them up and find like jelly beans and stuff like that in them or M&Ms. They had coloring kits. They also had a lot of options for just like dyeing eggs, dyeing Easter eggs, and just kind of little crafts that you can pretty much do with your kids during the Easter season. As we know, spring break is coming up, so it's a great time to kind of gather with your kids and do some of these little crafts. They also had tons of Easter basket stuffers. So if you're looking for like bunny ears, or anything really that has to do with Easter, chances are you'll definitely find them at the dollar store. They had options like if your kid has a birthday around Easter, it would be a great time to do like an Easter themed party. And of course, they had some florals out as far as like spring decor is concerned. Dollar Tree has a great selection of faux leaves and flowers, and they actually look really good from far away. If you get up close, they can look a little, not so great, but from far away, they're definitely great finds. They also had a lot of gardening tools and gardening options. They had seeds for doing plants. They had a lot of actual garden tools such as shovels and things of that nature. So if you are into gardening, you can find some great selections at the Dollar Tree store. As no dollar store will do seasonal items, and you'll see them there during that season and then you won't see them again. So if you are doing seasonal shopping at the Dollar Tree store, make sure that you get whatever it is that you're interested in because chances are you will not find it again. And most of the time, the items will sell out fast. So definitely make sure that you grab what you can when you see it. So these are just more little like basket stuffers. that I ended up seeing. They had like bubbles and stuffed animals, great for kids. They had like My Little Pony stuff, egg shaped chalk, just great little items that your kids will love that is affordable. So, and of course, they had a great selection of candy. So, if you like to fill your Easter baskets for your kids with candy, or if you just like candy yourself, um, the Dollar Tree will definitely have you covered. All right, guys, so I hope that you liked this video. Let me know any of the items that you see at your local Dollar Tree store that you will be grabbing this season. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.